Midtown Tulsa apartment complex now under the city's watchful eye after a former tenant called to report an unsafe building.
2 Works for You investigator Katie Wisely explained what the property owner must do by Saturday before the city steps in.
A red sign in the front of Sunset Court Apartments claiming units are available for rent.
The whole building has no heat.
But former tenant Adam Houston wouldn't recommend moving in.
The 3rd floor, the main water line busted, flooded all the way down to our apartment, and all the maintenance dude did was come in, bring us a shop vac, say, here you go, and walked out.
Houston took numerous pictures, stairs ripped apart, garbage dumpsters overflowing, a breaker box open, cords hanging out, and furniture tossed on the ground.
Then after that, the electrical issues started where the lights were flickering and the power went out for 3 days and we didn't have electric in the middle of winter.
2 months is all it took for Houston to pack his bags.
The city posted it 4 days after as unsafe.
The city says the complex has failed to provide permits for renovations in one of the buildings, leaving it unsecure.
There's holes in the ceilings, it's cockroaches everywhere. It's not renovated.
2 Works for You called the property manager.
So you have to have a permit to paint and put new cabinets in?
Now Houston wants a refund for his security deposit and 1 month's rent, which the owners say they're considering.
Possibly. I don't want to answer that right now. I need to talk to these city inspectors and decide if I need to get my attorney involved. It's really not worth my time.
Would you be available for an interview?
Possibly. No, I can't this evening.
The property owners have 10 days to get the proper work permits, or it's in the city's hands. And soon 2x4s may cover this building. The city says the cost of permits will normally double if property owners have been working without them. And if the work continues without those permits, it's possible that a criminal citation could be filed. Reporting in Tulsa, Katie Wisely, 2 Works for You.